Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So Honda recently tried to dabble in something different than they ever did before. And I was even looking into it to see kind of the difference of everything else and if they offered something better. But it seems like they failed at that too. Because a couple days ago they announced that it's no longer in operation. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what happened and how Honda failed in just under a year. So like I said, Honda started doing something different almost a year ago to the date. And if you guys own Honda or Acura vehicles, you probably even got notices in the mail about this. What am I talking about? Well, Honda started offering their own insurance. I actually got a letter stating that. So I actually looked into it, and then I realized what Honda was doing was they're using working with a brokerage to offer quotes and advice for auto, home, pet, motorcycle, boat, recreational vehicles, all that kind of stuff, insurance for them. So you could have everything in one spot. Not only was it very confusing when you went on their site to figure this out, but it was kind of all over the place as far as what they covered and how much it was going to cost. And I really thought, because how they promoted it, is that they were going to give good price breaks compared to all the agencies out there as far as auto insurance goes. And if you guys have paid attention to it, you know how much auto insurance is going up across the board, no matter really what you drive or how old you are. It's just they're increasing rates all over the place. So I thought if they can give a price break for Honda and Acura owners, because it's their own thing, that'd be a pretty good fit. But like I said, they just announced 2 weeks ago that they are no longer in operation. And it's not a big surprise to me. Like I said, I looked into it, and it was really weird trying to figure out what kind of coverage you wanted, how much it cost. It was hard to get a final price on it. And when I did get a price on it, it wasn't any different than what's offered by, AAA, Allstate, Farmers, all that kind of insurance companies out there. But they're saying, like, if you currently have it, if you actually signed up for it, there's no impact to customers, and they'll still have the insurance products through what they call HIS services. But personally, if you do have it, I don't know anybody that does, but say you do, I would look at getting out of it ASAP, just because if they're no longer operating it, I wouldn't want insurance that runs through them in the event that you need to use it. It'd be probably a long time to actually get your car fixed. Like I said, I was hopeful that it'd be something new, because no one's done that yet, that the auto manufacturer would offer its own insurance, but it lasted a year and that kind of tanked. So now if you go on their website to purchase it, it'll say this service is no longer in operation. So it kind of goes to show you how things are, and how Honda in particular is kind of scraping at everything to get some more revenue coming in, because the auto sales are down. So this was something I saw them kind of, I don't want to say a last ditch effort, but them trying to get some more market share for insurance. And obviously less than a year it failed, and it was offered in all 50 states as well, so it wasn't just like one state. So they had the chance to do something, but people just didn't buy into it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. I don't know how many people actually even heard of it. Let me know in the comment section if you heard of the insurance through Honda. Like I said, I was getting notices of it when it first launched, and I looked into it because I thought it might be a good thing. But again, I'm glad I didn't switch. So again, I wanted to keep you guys in the loop what's going on in the auto industry right now. It seems like a lot of things aren't really for certain, so you kind of want to pay attention to all this so you can make the best decision you can. And again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. I appreciate all of you, as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.